A list of keto-friendly foods for keto cooking. When starting the ketogenic diet, it is important to know which foods you can eat and which foods to avoid. The basics of this diet include eating lots of fat, lots of green vegetables, moderate amounts of protein, and very few carbs. Keto is the #1 lifestyle diet for losing weight, reversing diabetes, and healing the body from many diseases. In today's video, we will share with you a list of healthy, low-carb foods that you can consume to allow your body to enter ketosis and begin burning fat rapidly. 1. Saturated fats. When switching to keto, you will be eating lots of healthy fats as a fuel source for the body instead of carbs and sugar. The best saturated fats to consume are grass-fed butter, cheese, cream, ghee, which is clarified butter, lard, tallow, extra virgin coconut oil, MCT oil, or eco-friendly palm oil. These are rich in fat-soluble nutrients like vitamin A, D, E, and K, which can heal the body and speed up fat burning. These fats also have a higher smoke point and can be used for shallow frying, sautéing, and cooking delicious meals. 2. Vegetable fats. We also highly recommend consuming monounsaturated fats like cold-pressed olive oil, flax oil, sesame oil, avocado oil, or macadamia nut oil. These are great to use in delicious salad dressings and can help your body to absorb more nutrients when eaten with vegetables. These fats add a great depth of flavor to meals and can help your body to heal and reduce inflammation. Avoid unhealthy oils such as margarine spreads, vegetable oil, soy oil, canola oil, corn oil, cottonseed oil, and fast foods which are fried in trans fats. Many of these are genetically modified products which inflame the liver and cause fat to build up on the body. These are dangerous for your overall health and cause hormone imbalances. 3. Omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for a healthy body and strong immune system. To get your omega-3s, you can consume wild-caught salmon, trout, tuna, herring, and sardines. You can also boost omega-3 levels by taking a krill oil supplement or virgin cod liver oil. You may be wondering about sunflower oil or safflower oil. These are higher in omega-6, which can cause a little inflammation in the body. Consuming seafood with omega-3 will balance the omega-3 to 6 ratio, making these absolutely fine to eat. 4. Protein. On keto, you should be consuming around 85 to 170 grams of protein per meal to strengthen and protect your muscles. Be careful not to consume too much protein, as extra amounts are converted into sugar in the body, which will reduce your ketones. One of the best protein sources are pasture-raised eggs, which also contain healthy fats and nutrients that help you to burn fat. When it comes to meat, choose organic pasture-raised meats such as beef, lamb, ham, pork, chicken, turkey, or bacon. Choose the fattier cuts of meat such as ribeye steaks, high-fat ground beef or pork, lamb, goat, etc. These will provide more fuel and energy for the body with a good fat-to-protein ratio. Eating organ meats like liver, kidney, heart, tongue, and tripe are also a rich source of nutrients and protein. If you don't like the taste of these, you can ask your butcher to mince these and mix in with your favorite ground meats to disguise the flavor. Sausages often contain many additives and carbs, so be sure to check the label on these. We recommend purchasing high-quality sausages from farmers' markets. When it comes to fish, select wild-caught varieties where possible on keto and enjoy salmon, mackerel, caviar, anchovies, sardines, cod, trout, and tuna. You can also enjoy shellfish, which are particularly high in vitamin B12, such as clams, oysters, lobster, scallops, mussels, squid, and prawns. 5. Nuts and seeds. We recommend eating nuts and seeds in moderation on keto, especially in the beginning, as they can cause bloating and irritate the gallbladder. You can eat a small handful of healthy nuts with a meal, such as almonds, macadamia nuts, pecans, walnuts, Brazil nuts, or pistachios. For seeds, we recommend hemp, chia, flax, pumpkins and sunflower seeds. These are very nutrient dense with lots of healthy fats and can improve your health rapidly. You can germinate seeds and nuts by soaking in water overnight and then dehydrating them in the oven. This makes them much easier to digest for those with gallbladder problems. You can also use unsweetened nut butters like almond butter, peanut butter and macadamia nut butter for keto puddings called fat bombs. Perform a quick Google search to find many keto fat bomb recipes. 6. Vegetables. The most important foods on keto are vegetables. These provide the nutrients needed to digest fat, build stomach acids and heal insulin resistance in the body. You should consume cruciferous vegetables every single day, such as cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, Swiss chard, kale, bok choy, watercress and arugula. We also recommend eating green beans, spinach, chilies, green bell peppers, celery, asparagus, olives and zucchini. Some vegetables are a little too high in carbs, so be sure to monitor your intake of parsnips, tomatoes, onions, red bell peppers and eggplant. Avoid starchy vegetables like potatoes, squash and sweet potatoes, and stay away from artichokes, beets, celeriac, rutabaga, carrots and cassava. Corn should also be avoided as it is usually GMO and sprayed with pesticides that cause you to get a fatty liver. 7. Fruits. On the keto diet, you have to remove sugary foods entirely. Unfortunately, most fruits are high in fructose, which will prevent you from getting into ketosis. You can eat low glycemic fruits in small amounts such as blackberries, blueberries, strawberries and starfruit. Be careful and make sure that you stay within your daily carb limit of 20 to 30 grams net. Avocados are the healthiest fruit on the planet, and we recommend consuming this on a regular basis. It is a rich source of healthy fats which heal your body and help you to burn fat. You can also consume lots of lemon and lime juice, as this helps the body to produce more ketones and improves digestion. 8. Dairy. Some people are intolerant to dairy and others can handle it very well. On keto, only full-fat, high-quality dairy is allowed. Look for raw and organic products. You can consume full-fat cream, grass-fed butter, Greek yogurt, cream cheese, half and half, mascarpone cheese, mozzarella, brie, cheddar, parmesan, feta, Swiss cheese, cottage cheese, sour cream, creme fraiche and homemade mayonnaise. Some of these do contain carbs, so you will have to track them and stay within your carb limit. If you are lactose intolerant, avoid dairy altogether and use unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk. 9. Drinks. When cutting out the carbs, the body doesn't store as much water weight. You should keep yourself hydrated by consuming lots of healthy keto-approved drinks. We recommend mineral water, lemon water, bone broth, blackberry-infused soda water, bulletproof coffee, matcha tea, blue tea, chamomile tea, unsweetened almond milk, and unsweetened coconut milk. Avoid alcohol as this slows fat burning in the body, as the liver must use this before it can tap into its fat reserves. If you do drink on a rare occasion, choose vodka or gin, as these contain very low carbs unlike beer and wine. You should also be avoiding diet sodas, as these cause insulin resistance and sugar cravings which undo the powerful healing effects of keto. 10. Sauces. Be careful with sauces, dressings and condiments, as many are high in sugar, unhealthy soy and hidden fillers. Keto-friendly sauces, however, can add delicious flavor to keep meals healthy, fun and exciting. Look for a good quality vinaigrette made with virgin olive oil and vinegar for salads. You can also use high quality ranch dressing, Caesar dressing, apple cider vinegar, no sugar ketchup, mustard, hot sauce, coconut aminos and no sugar relish. Always check the labels and avoid any condiment products that contain soy, high fructose corn syrup, sugar or maltodextrin. A quick Google search will find plenty of keto recipes to make your own delicious sauces at home. 11. Herbs and spices. Using lots of fresh herbs and dried spices is a great way to add flavor and nutrition to your keto meals. We recommend mint, parsley, thyme, oregano, sea salt, black pepper, turmeric, cumin, chili, paprika, coriander, cinnamon, cayenne, ginger, basil, bay leaf, anise, dill, fenugreek, tarragon and mint. If using large amounts of powdered spice, be sure to count the carbs into your daily allowance, but generally spices and herbs are absolutely fine. 12. Sweeteners. On keto, you must avoid all forms of sugar, and there are some alternative sweeteners that you can use to bake with and use in your drinks. The three main sweeteners we recommend are xylitol, stevia and erythritol. These have a very low effect on blood sugars and taste very similar to sugar, especially xylitol. Just keep these away from your pets as they can be harmful to animals. Also stay away from honey, as this is full of fructose sugar which will knock your body out of ketosis and fat burning. As you can see, there are plenty of healthy, low-carb foods that you can consume on keto and enjoy every single bite. Remember to stay hydrated with lots of mineral water, as ketosis causes you to release more fluids. Avoid drinking too much coffee and tea, as these contain caffeine which can have negative effects in large amounts. Try to drink 1 to 2 cups of these per day maximum, ideally in the morning. In our other videos, we share the best supplements that you can take to further improve ketosis and improve fat burning. Be sure to see our keto playlist at the end. Thank you very much for listening, a like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.